Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Black Wall Street making another video. I want to apologize for not posting one last week, but I have been working on myself, working out, and going to the gym for the last month. And so I've been trading, but I haven't been making any videos. But so let's get into it. Okay, so normally we talk about trading options, but however, I do also trade cryptocurrency. I am in the crypto market. So let's take a look at the meme coin, Doge coin. So before we get started with the video, I need you to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share the information so we can teach you how to fire your boss. So let's get started. Okay, so back a while back, if you invested in Dogecoin, then especially around 4 or 5 cents, if you got into it, that was a very good investment, despite what you're hearing. And let's take a look at why. So please be patient with the coin. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. You do what you think is best for you and your family. However, what I'm going to talk about on this channel is what I like to do for myself. So let's look at the technicals. I don't do this very often, but today I'm going to do it. Okay, so what you're looking at right here on the screen is the chart for Dogecoin. So what I want you to look at, we're going to learn something today. We're going to talk about what's called a golden cross. Okay, so a golden cross is when the 20-day moving average crosses the 200-day moving average from the bottom headed to the top side, and then you get that means it's green days ahead. So here you are. If you look right here, the gold line, that's your 200-day moving average, and then this teal line right here, that is your 20-day moving average. So the cross occurred right here on August the 7th. And if you can see the stair steps. So looking at the technicals, you can see that the coin is in fact definitely in an uptrend. And just to refresh you, an uptrend is when you experience higher lows and higher highs. Okay, so what does that mean? That means that if you, my friend, invested in Doge and you were huddling Doge, then you have an opportunity to make some money. I'm not saying I want you to sell off, because that's was one of the reasons that the coin consolidates and takes so long to move up. Now, what is the catalyst pushing this? Well, one of the catalysts that's pushing this increase is that there's going to be some type of regulation to the crypto space, and the regulation is not really designed to hurt cryptocurrency, but it does give it some validation, which is probably sparking the interest of some more investors, and more people are buying into Doge at the moment. So if you want to know what it's going to look like, how do I predict it? Well, right here, I pre-drew some lines and I wanted to follow this. So my prediction on the coin is as follows. Knowing what I know about the coin, because I did buy in when the coin was only 5 cents. So my portfolio is looking rather nice with that in there. What I'm predicting is right here. You see this triangle, and this is how I'm predicting it. If you look right here, you have what's called a double top at the first line of resistance at 0.2829. So what I'm predicting is, since we have a double top at the first level of resistance, that is going to bust through there at the 0.28, and it's headed that way right now. It's at 0.28, 2811. I think it's going to bust through that, but then you're going to have some retracement back down to 0.265. And if you look at starting point over here at the 0.2425 area when all of this started, and you move it to where it is now, and then I say it's going to retrace back down to the last level which was the previous level of resistance, which is 0.26. that's going to form a just a regular triangle where it goes into a period of consolidation. How long that period is going to be, I don't know, but then it's going to bounce from there. I say it's going to start consolidating up from 2.2675 on up to until it hits 30 cent. I believe that within the next month or two, Doge is going to go to 30 cent. And then it's not over after that. I believe, this is just me, I believe that it is going to during Black Friday and around the Christmas holidays, I would think you should look for those to go somewhere close to $1. That's my prediction. That's how I'm looking. That's what I'm looking at. I think you might see $1 around Black Friday, around 70 cents, touching somewhere around there. It depends on how many people sell off. If people hold it or more people get into the crypto space, specifically this crypto, then it could go further up to $1 around Christmas. Now, if more people join in before then and it keeps on its current trend, it could, and this is not a far-fetched idea, but you could see those go to $1 on Black Friday and as high as $2 or $3, if not $5 by Christmas time this year. This coin has been it has shown that it had strong support at 16 cents, which think about it. Back in March, this coin was trading at right around a nickel, and some days less than a nickel. And in less than a year, the coin has went over 1,000+% and increased 10,000+% increase. So it's like I was always saying, I've always been a big fan of this coin. I like the way it's been performing, and but these are my predictions on this. Okay, so right now it's at 0.2795. So you kind of see, and I'm looking at the MACD. It does have some indicators where it should be some. It's showing a few bearish indicators at my MACD on the 4-hour chart. Let me look at the 1 minute. Let me look at the 1 minute chart. And right here, if you look at the 1 minute chart, you can start to see this. It's not really a retrace. It's just gap down. It's just gapping down to like it wants to consolidate a little bit. But don't be alarmed. There's going to be. It has to do this. It's going to consolidate a little, and then it'll gap down to it'll retrace down to the last level of support, which was the previous first level of resistance, and then you'll start to see it bounce from there and go on up to 30 cent. And by that time, you're getting into, see, we got October, and you got September, October, November. You can mark my words on this. Check me out Black Friday and let's see what Doge is trading at. I'm thinking Doge is going to be somewhere really close to $1, if not $1, and then $1.50, maybe $2 or $3 by Christmas time. Also, other nice cryptos to look at. You need to look at Cardano. Cardano is a nice one. For my channel, I'm not sure if my investors have that kind of money, but Ethereum, of course, is doing well. I didn't make a video about Ethereum, but I have been telling people in person, hey, you need to jump on Ethereum when Ethereum was as low as $1,700. I think it got as low as, and even when Bitcoin was 30,000, even $24,000, that was a time where if you had that extra maybe even $100,000 to invest in Bitcoin, me personally, I like volume. I would have probably bought buying into Ethereum would have been a very good buy-in. Also, I'm not really into fractional shares. I'm not into putting money. I need a whole coin. Like, I want an entire coin. I mean, I get it. I don't knock those who do buy fractional shares of stocks and fractional coins, invest in fractional coins, maybe $10 every pay period into Bitcoin or Ethereum. I just don't think, I think your money would be better spent on a cryptocurrency such as Doge or Shiba, where you can actually get some volume. And that way, when that coin really breaks out and does what I'm thinking and a lot of millions of other people thinking it's going to do, then you can actually reap the rewards and the benefits from that. So the next chart I want to take a look at is Shiba Inu. All right, so Shiba Inu, this coin is a great long-term investment. I wouldn't be worried about so much as to what it's doing, because Shiba does not necessarily move with Doge. You got to understand now, Shiba did experience a little bit of a golden cross right here, right back here. Where's it at on the chart? I want to say it's like right in here. So 811, and when it experiences golden cross, you can see Shiba's trading is trading to the upside right now. And but that's still that coin has quite some time before it loses a lot of zeros. Some people that have billions of these coins will probably be looking to take profit. So once those people take profit and we have that major sell-off, that's more than likely going to have, you'll see a retracement, which I would have to pull out the Fibonacci tool. But if I was to make a speculation, it'll probably retrace back down to its previous level of support, literal level of support, which was a 0 point, all those zeros, and then like a 6 and maybe even a 5, 8. But I don't look for SHIB to drop 2 or 3 zeros until maybe you may see some good movement out of SHIB around Christmas time. If you believe that SHIB is going to do something around Christmas, hit the like on the video and comment, put SHIB in the comment saying, SHIB 2 zeros down. Okay, because that's pretty good profit for someone if it drops 2 zeros. I know myself, I'm heavily invested in SHIB. I have quite a few of those coins in the hundreds of millions. So that it's not like I'm not investing in that particular coin. I like SHIB also. I like what they stand for. I like the whole community surrounding SHIB. I also like I like the fact that they are actually helping a very good dog. The Shiba Inu is a very good dog. It's a Japanese dog. It's a very good, loyal dog. One of the guys on Miles actually has one, and he posted it in his video. So that's another coin to keep your eye on, along with XLM, ADA or Cardano, whichever one you want to call it, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin. These are some really hot coins. There's more out there, but I'm not really into Pancake Swap, which you can, some coins or if you want to know where you can actually invest in the coins, you can. I don't really recommend Robinhood. Robinhood is just too sketch for me. I no longer do business with I don't trade on Robinhood at all anymore. It's just a little sketchy for me. But that's neither here nor there. But if you want to get into it, Coinbase is a good place to go. You can also crypto.com. That I like the way the app is set up. It gives you a very good opportunity to store your coins if you want to trade them. If you don't want to cash all of them out, you can store them in your fiat wallet. It has very good security, and you can even trade them. So you can put them in your account. You can put the money into your personal account, or you can load so much onto a debit card, not the cryptocurrency itself, but the dollar's worth when you're ready to cash out your coins. All right, so let's go ahead and wrap this video up. On track, now we going way up.